Who is the founder of Pakistan? Qaid-e-Azam. When is the National Day of Pakistan? 14 August 1947. How many provinces does Pakistan have? 4. In which year Pakistan was formed? 1947. What is the national fruit of Pakistan? Mango. What is the national dish of Pakistan? Nihari. What is the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine. What is the national animal of Pakistan? Markhor. What is the national dress of Pakistan? Kameez Shalwar. What is the national vegetable of Pakistan? Ladyfinger. What is the national sports of Pakistan? Hockey. What is the national language of Pakistan? Urdu. What is the national currency of Pakistan? Rupees. What is the national color of Pakistan? Green and white. What is the national airline of Pakistan? PIA.